Hello gentlemen, how are you? Welcome to my channel Piping Technical Trainer. Kindly subscribe my channel. Today's topic is how to calculating 22.5 degree offset. It's very easy. I have given formulas how to calculate offset of 22.5 degree. Really, you watch this video, you can understand very easy way. I have given the formula. Let's see. First question, find the length of the treble if the offset is given. Now this is called offset. From here to here, this is called offset. Offset is given 12. You can see 12. Now from here to here, this is called treble. Treble we have to calculate. We don't know. We have to calculate treble by using the formula. Now run is given in the formula, so no need to worry about this. Let's check the solution. Let's try to solve this question. In this question, saying find the length of treble if the offset is 12. Offset is given 12. Now formula, we have treble formula. We have treble formula equal to offset into 2.61, treble equal to run into 1.08. This is the formula of treble for calculating treble. Now treble equal to offset into 2.61. Here treble equal to 12. 12 what? Offset. Offset is given 12 here. You can see this is called offset. Offset is given 12 into 2.61. 2.61 is constant for 22.5 degree. Where it comes from? It comes from the chart. Here you can see 22.5 degree constant for treble. 2.61. See here. This is. Now how much we will get? Treble equal to 31.32. This length, this is called treble. From here to here we'll get 31.32. Understand? Let's see the next question. Let's see another question. Find the length of the offset if the treble is 37. If the treble is 37. Here treble is given. This is from here to here. This is treble. Treble is given 37. Okay. What is offset? We don't know. See, we have to calculate here offset. We have to calculate here offset. Run we will take from the chart. Elbow chart constant. Let's see this question. How to solve? We will check here. Now in this question, treble is given 37. Offset we have to calculate. Now formula, we will take formula from here. Treble equal to offset into 2.61. So treble is given, treble 37. So when we calculate offset, we will keep offset here. Offset equal to treble by 2.61. Treble by 2.61. So treble is given 37. We will keep 37 here. Then divided 37 by 2.61. We will get offset 14.18. We will get offset. Offset. This is called offset. Very easy. You can understand it. Very easy. If you have any question, if you have any doubts, kindly comment in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.